person of interest has been identified in the Jasmine Dean case.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The police are appealing to the public to assist them in finding a man who they say is a person of interest in the investigation into the disappearance of university student Jasmine Dean. A photo of the man was shown at a press conference convened by the Jamaica Constabulary Force in Kingston on Wednesday morning, the 18th of March. The image has since been distributed by the police. "We are not certain where he is from," said Acting Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitzbailey. "The person is very critical to the investigation." 22-year-old Dean, who is visually impaired, went missing sometime after 10 p.m. on February 27th after boarding a taxi at the Irving Hall gate of the University of the West Indies, Mona, where she is a student. Bailey declined to give further details about the person of interest, but said there was some very delicate information that they need to guard. The senior cop said investigation into Dean's disappearance has been taken over by the Major Investigation Division and had resulted in investigations at the University of the West Indies, Lyndhurst Road, and downtown Kingston in the corporate area, Bull Bay in St. Andrew, and Greenvale in Manchester. He said, however, that no personal items belonging to Dean had been recovered. The police say they are in possession of closed-circuit camera footage, which shows Dean boarding a taxi at the Irving Hall gate of the St. Andrew-based University sometime before 10 p.m. Additionally, they say investigators have retraced their movement from the gate to Papine Square and have also questioned the taxi driver. According to investigators, Jasmine's cell records show she was in Bull Bay and Arborview shortly after she went missing. On the night of her disappearance, her phone was last active at 12:35 a.m. in downtown Kingston. The police further say they have also questioned and collected statements from other individuals in relation to the case. Meanwhile, the police disclosed that the last words from Dean heard by her brother were, quote, "call Tia." Dean said the words to her brother on the phone sometime after 10 p.m. on February 27th. The night she went missing. Tia refers to a meal from Bull Bay where Dean is from, the police said. Cops also said Tia's phone was seized and his car searched, and both Tia and his common-law wife were interviewed, but they are not considered persons of interest. Crime Stop is offering a reward of $350,000 for Dean's safe return.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.